That familiar sound of your Roomba S9 sputtering and struggling? Is it leaving streaks of dirt behind, despite its best efforts? You're probably staring at a broken hinge on the main brush or a malfunctioning head cleaning module. The broken hinge on the main brush or a faulty head cleaning module is a common problem plaguing iRobot Roomba S9 owners. It's often caused by a tiny but crucial hinge breaking under the stress of daily cleaning, or the cleaning module itself failing to clear debris. It usually means that the delicate hinge mechanism responsible for keeping the brush spinning smoothly has given up the ghost, or the self-cleaning mechanism isn't doing its job. Ignoring this won't just leave you with less than perfect cleaning, it can lead to further damage to the internal components and severely reduce your Roomba's lifespan. Plus, a jammed brush is never a good thing. See how it's struggling? But don't despair. RoboCare makes robot vacuum repair easy. Simply book online and we'll handle everything, from pickup to delivery. We offer convenient courier services, or you can visit our service center, and we'll have it back to you, good as new. At RoboCare, our technicians are experts in diagnosing these problems. We use specialized tools to check for wear and tear, debris buildup, and any potential electrical issues with the left wheel. We understand that these robots are an investment, and we treat them with the utmost care and attention to detail. Once we've identified the problem, we either repair the existing wheel or replace it with a genuine Roomba part. We don't just throw parts at the problem. We take the time to understand the root cause, so we can fix it right the first time. We also make sure to test the Roomba S9 thoroughly after repairs, ensuring it navigates smoothly and avoids those frustrating stuck moments. Look at that, before and after. See the difference? A perfectly functioning brush head means a spotless home. That's the RoboCare guarantee. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I wholeheartedly recommend RoboCare to anyone experiencing problems with their robot vacuum. Their service was professional, efficient, and incredibly friendly. When my Roomba arrived back, it was like getting a brand new machine. It was working perfectly again.
Don't let a broken hinge ruin your cleaning routine. Visit our website or call us today for a free quote. We handle all major brands and models,